just in the previous slide, we have discussed very clearly that programs are stored in the memory. But in order to perform any operation, our ALU needs information. That's what we have discussed now. In order to perform addition, it needs some data between whom it has to perform that addition. If you want to perform any subtractions, it needs some clarity between whom it has to perform that subtraction. Okay, for that particular purpose, we will use these buses. With the help of these buses, the data will be exchanged between the memory and the central processing unit. So between CPU and memory, the information will be exchanged with the help of these buses. Okay, that is the main purpose of these buses. I think now you are very much clear how the data is going to be exchanged. First of all, whatever the program you have written, it will be stored in the main memory. It is going to be accessed one step, instruction by instruction, not all the instruction at a time. Okay, so whenever we are executing a particular instruction, move AX, 50H, this will be this instructions you will get in the next units. Okay, move AX, 50H. AX is the name of a register. 50H, hash 50H, for example, construct 50H. 50H is a value. So AX register, in AX register, you have to transmit 50H value. Okay, how it is going to be executed? It is going to be executed by using ALU. Okay, the ALU will perform that particular operation, or there is an instruction add AX, BX. AX has 30 and BX has 20. Okay, here instead of mentioning add 30, 20, we are giving some register names or memory locations like that. Okay, this concept will come or will be familiar with the next units. No problem about it. Okay, just to know what is the main thing you have to concentrate or you have to learn is from main memory to ALU, the data will be transmitted to these buses. Okay, here if you observe these two buses, these are two-way arrow mark symbol. That means they are bidirectional buses. They are bidirectional buses. What is mean by bidirectional? That means using that particular bus, you can transmit the data from main memory to our processor, and you can also transmit the data from our processor to main memory. That means two-way communication is possible with these two buses. Okay, but if you observe this last bus, which will be indicating by me with the pointer, mouse pointer, this is only one directional bus. That means it is only used to communicate in only one direction, that is from processor to main memory, but there is no two-way communication. Okay, so that's one, that is about the buses.